here 3 hours ago, I could actually look out the window of the studio right now and see the southern side of Belleville, which is no more than, I'd say, 40 yards from the window of the studio. You can't see it, okay? And remember, we're downtown. There is a bit of a wind block provided by the buildings here. So imagine if you're on the highway, think very, very long and hard before you get behind the wheel today. All right? Think, do I really have to be doing this? Because everybody who ought to know is telling you not to. 514-790-0991, star talk, or 1-800-491.
Hello?
Hello, Peter, go ahead.
Hi. I just wanted to say, weather like this, I don't know what it's fun like this.
Yeah.
So I'm used to it. It doesn't surprise me that we're having winter storms this way, because I grew up in winters like this. I'm sure so did you.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'm turning.
I'm turning this way.
It was a struggle.
Turning this way.
A big struggle that I had to have a embarrassing speed get back home.
Yeah.
Okay, it's terrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, one second. I'm just gonna turn around,
Nice.
and then we're gonna go. Then we're gonna go.
Nice looking at the snow, but it's not so nice when you have to drive it. And like you say, you need help to get back home. I thank you for the call. I'm happy that you got it. Let's hear it from Danny. Welcome to CJAD.
Hello.
Hello, Danny. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm on Highway 13. If anybody goes to the plows, they're right in front of me, and they ain't moving.
Okay, you're on Highway 13 southbound?
Yeah, I'm on Highway 13 southbound, and northbound is running nice and smooth, but southbound is a dead stop.
Southbound has been a piece of sculpture since about 9 o'clock this morning. Whereabouts are you?
I just passed the Hickmore exit, but the point is, they're not saying anything if they're going to get us off the highway or back us up or anything, get us off the exit. But nothing at all.
Yeah, have you seen any cars down there?
I saw the SQ go up the northbound side, but we're trying to back up they're getting stuck.
Good luck with that. Are you seeing any cars on the side of the road?
I saw one in the left-hand lane on the 13. I just passed it about maybe half an hour ago, and it's only maybe 2 car lengths away.
Wow.
Okay, listen, Danny, thanks for the call. Stay safe out there, and I hope those plows start to move pretty soon. 514-790-0991, star talk, or 1-800-491-CJAD.
Wow.
If you're looking for big boxing week deals, you'll find them at Sears. Like right now, get a Keyboard laundry bed for just $14.99.98.
A limo. Sam, I just saw a limo.
Haven't even done the streets yet.
Whoa. Just said it. Imagine it was snowing like all over.
Yeah, it's snowing a lot. It's snowing too much.
I like the snow, you know why? Because I'll start to make and throw snowballs at you.
Can't see it.
Sam, I had a dream that
What dream?
you guys were Sam.
Okay, guys.
Sam, for February, I'm watching the
Guys, I need to drive. These are very bad conditions. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Could you put the radio a little lower? No.
Okay.
Put a little lower. I can't hear a thing. Oh my god.
I can't see a thing.
Me, I don't know how. There's like 10 feet of snow underneath here.
No. No.
Yeah, well.
No, it's
Oh my god, I'm
5 feet.
stuck.
5.
I am stuck. I can't move.
Yes, you could.
No, I can't move.
Because you see you're moving.
I can't move. I don't know. This is really, really bad. Oh, here we go.
See, you're moving.
Okay, Masha. How are we gonna make it home?
You are gonna make it home. Are you gonna go in the garage?
We're gonna try.
And you're gonna go in the garage, right?
Yeah.
In the garage.
Yeah.
You're really, Sam, you're really gonna go in the garage?
Yes.
Sam, really?
Oh,
Where are we going? Yeah, there's a car right there. I can see everything. Where are we going? The lineup. Sam, where are we
Lineup.
going? Sam, where are we going? Sam, where are we going? Going home. That's where we're going. Oh my God, we started going to Montreal. We're going in an hour. We're going at 12.
Okay,
First, we're gonna call
it's
and then
really,
see.
really bad out there, guys. You don't. If I tell you how bad it is out there, there's 5 feet of snow here. At least 5 feet of snow. Oh, here we go. Now I'm stuck.
5 feet of snow.
Yeah.
You're not stuck, Sam. Really?
What? Stuck?
Oh, Sam, it looks like that car. The car is pushing a bus.
What bus?
The car, it looks like
The car is pushing the bus.
yeah, it looks
Yeah.
like that.
I think it's the other way around. The bus should be pushing the car, but anyways.
Isn't a bus pushing a car?
Yeah, of
Or
course.
a car can push a bus.
Okay. Alright. We'll keep the comments a little bit later, okay, guys? Let's go home already.
Sam, when we get outside,
Yeah.
Dad, give me my clothes, send it back. We're almost home.
Really, really bad.
And then when we stop, we're gonna throw the garbage. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro.
Oh my god. Look at this guy in the middle of the road. I'm gonna.
Oh, he has the same coat as me. Ooh, that guy, he just has white.
Total disaster.
You can't park here. It's 5 feet. You're gonna park in the garage, you know it.
How did you know?
Because you just told me. You're stuck. Oh, I know you're backing up. There's a car.
Where?
It says green light. Sam, you can't park in the garage. Park over there. Why you don't get a shovel? Yes.
Thank God. Okay, guys, that's it. We're home. Oof.